Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a zoom place effect on CapCut PC. Let's select your video and it's going to split into some part like so. So you're just going to select first one and go to animation, select combo animation and just going to looking for zoom 1 and zoom 2 animation. So here's select ports, first one, zoom 1, and second one, zoom 2, third one, zoom 1. Guys, so you are just going to go to media and library, select this whiteboard card, and just going to make it shorter and go to plane, select overlay, and just to merge it. So copy paste to all the clip like so. And here we go. Okay, it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below.